Here we have a 2010, one owner, 14,000 miles, 4.4 Sport, finished in black with a tan leather. The Go Mog number plate is staying on the car. Has round mirrors, chrome interior mirror, Moto-lita steering wheel. Stainless steel exhaust as standard. Flat back panel, but the side screens slide just behind, so you don't need to have a rack on the back for that purpose. Got luggage area there, which is quite handy, and obviously you've got a deep footwell at the front where you can pop a nice handy bag. Has door handles. 4.4 Sport was released in 2008 and ran through till 2011. So it's entry level Morgan, 1600cc with the 5-speed box. It has a very cheeky character to it, so it's ideal for bombing around the country lanes, obviously within the speed limit. See, nice example, particularly nice that it's only one owner. We supplied the car new and have done a lot of the servicing on it. Chap has moved out of area, so we didn't do all the servicing, but now back with us to sell. Thank you for viewing. 01234 750 205 if you'd like to arrange a viewing. Thank you very much.